Okay, this is part 2 of the unboxing of the Kobalt 432 piece mechanics tool set. Just had too many boxes for me to open with only one hand, so I just went ahead and cut the tape. So I'll finish opening these boxes up. So we got the 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch drive, specialty sockets. Now this is on a 52 inch toolbox. Now this thing absolutely covers it all. And I got stuff stacked on top of other stuff. So I guess from left to right we have the metric wrenches. These things are huge. $27. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah. This is our standards. Check this out. It's huge. 1/2 inch drive sockets, 12 point. Which we saw them. More. Half-inch breaker bar, very cool. Not going to focus. There we go. Kobalt's 1/2 inch. Again, cool. Pretty cool, 3/8 inch. Three-eighth inch ratchet. This is pretty neat. But what's even cooler, what I just spied, I spy a 1/4 inch breaker bar. I've never seen this before, and I'm glad I have it. That's pretty cool. Universal extensions. So your basic stuff. I mean, this thing is absolutely frickin' loaded. Holy cow. Wrenches that everybody has when they get a set, but nobody uses. Your Allens, your short Allens, your longs, your nut drivers, all your bits. This is awesome. As you can see, I'm going to have a ton of fun trying to organize this, and I'll have an update video in the future. Thanks for watching.